room a refresh. Not a full reno because it had been updated previously, but finally the carpet is gone. And instead I have this highly pet-friendly, child-friendly, durable flooring. It's a laneway plank from Carpet Court. I think it's in natural oak, but that is only the start of it realistically. This is a square living room, nearly a perfect square, which means that it has multiple ways that we can furnish it. So a lot of people think once you're finished renovating, once the paint's on the walls and the floor is done, that it is over. But for me, you're not even halfway there. So today what I want to show you is some really cool and different ways that you can furnish this room, and then how you can style it to top it off. So we have in here 2 3-seater lounges. These are gorgeous lounges once they have the cushions on from Castlereagh. So I'm going to show you 4 configurations that you can use in a square or nearly square living space that you might have at home. Layout number 1. This is where we're using the 2 Castlereagh 3-seaters orthogonal to each other, so at 90 degrees. This is great because number 1, it means the people here, fantastic viewing position. Number 2, it gives oppositional seating, so it gives an opportunity to have conversation between the 2 lounges. And number 3, the armchair in the corner is a nice feature. It's a nice isolated reading spot and provides extra seating to these. The drawbacks though, the guys here can't see the TV super well, and this lounge does block a little bit of the traffic and the flow. Even though there is enough room to walk around, there is a downside to this layout. Now layout number 2 is simply a tweak of number 1. We moved the lounge opposing the TV back a little more to increase this space and brought in an extra armchair for an extra bottom, which now gives us 3, 3 and 2. So technically 8 people could enjoy this space around a coffee table in the middle as a conversation. Drawbacks: pushing this 3-seater from Castlereagh back further means it does impede that entry to the room just that little bit more. Perks: we have more people to have more conversation and more good times in the room.
Now layout number 3 removes all of the armchair options and simply has 2 opposing 3-seaters. Now this is visually gorgeous because it opens the room up, you get to see straight in from the entryway, and it creates great symmetry, which is so calming. But we do have some drawbacks, and that is that there are very few people that can watch the TV comfortably. Realistically, you have to be sitting at the opposite end of the lounge, so probably only 2 people in this entire setup can watch TV comfortably. On the upside though, everyone can have a great engaged conversation and it looks good.
All right, layout number 4, and this could have been the winner. I could have saved the best till last. So we still have one lounge, pretty much hasn't moved much. We have the 2 3-seaters against each wall, which means that we're using the full width of this square room. We've brought in 2 armchairs, so we're now seating 8 in here. But what we've done is we've spaced them out so it's not completely blocking the flow from the adjacent rooms, which also means with these armchairs being anchored close to these lounges, it means if we were to have some side tables in here, they would be accessible by the people in the armchairs and the lounges. Yes, without saying, one of the downsides of this is that the person sitting at either end of the lounge closest to the telly is going to get a sore neck. But the good news is this is the one layout where 8 people get to have a conversation and 6 people get to watch the TV. Now I might have settled on a layout, but I tell you, there's a long way to go with styling this room. Starting by putting the cushions on this gorgeous 3-seater from Castlereagh. So now I'm going to show you speed styling of this space, and it is all about layers, starting with the rug. Rug is in amazing amount of texture. If you are loving on this rug, make sure you get across to the homeware store on naomifindlay.com and you could nab yourself one just like it. These sofas from Castlereagh, they're called the Tanner sofa. Now there's a couple of reasons why I chose these. I like the slightly formal look and shape of the back cushions, but I love that they were slimline and at the same time not looking overly trendy and overly Scandi. The fabric is also a big winner of mine because this is a family home and the texture and the variation in colour is a winner to hide all sorts of things that are going to probably get dropped on these lounges. So rug in, furniture in, very practical side tables so that we can be of use, and a very practical coffee table. It could be a feed up, it could be a coffee, a wine, colouring in while watching something on telly, you name it. So this room is packed with function, but now I want to bring some more beauty into here. Let's see some texture, some movement, some books, some foliage, and some lamps. And there you have it, perfect space, styled and ready to enjoy. For joining me. Did you know I wrote a book all about creating wealth through renovating property? I've popped a link below in the description so you can check it out. See you next time and enjoy.